Alright. Guess what I got in? Can you guess? Let me open this up and let me show you guys. Woo! Woo! Waited almost like 2 weeks for this stuff to come in. What is this? What is this? What is this? Oh snap, boy. Oh snap, what is this? And what's up, guys? So we back at it again with another episode of Low and Slow Garage. Pretty much, to be honest with you, same video from the last. I just figured I'd do 2 videos in one day and possibly do another one maybe tomorrow. We shall see. But anyway, today, guess what came in? Guess what came in? My seats. Seat rails. Seats. And I also picked up this bad boy from a friend of mine. Fuel cell. 10-gallon fuel cell. We're going to hook this up at a later date though. Right along with some of this wiring that I picked up from the junkyard. Sorry I didn't record that. So that's coming up later on the channel. But anyway, let me talk about these seats. So these seats right here I got off of eBay. They basically a knockoff bride seat. And I will put the link down here on the bottom to let you guys know what they're called. As far as the bride seats I picked up off of eBay. But they're going inside this 240. So that's all that matters. We finally got seats. Now I decided to get the steering hub so I can go ahead and no longer kicking the wheel and all that good stuff. I can turn the wheel and do what I got to do. So on that note, let me get started with the seats. So I ordered this 2 off of eBay. So yeah, hopefully all this should be able to mount up with no problems. Let me find my knife. And let me get started. Yeah. Alright. Don't need that. Woo! Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. Got my seat brackets. Yeah. I know you guys probably like, why is he so hyped behind some seat brackets? Because this is my first pair. And I never ordered none of this stuff before ever in my life. And all this is new to me. And I am a little kid. It feels like Christmas to me. So yeah, this is what it looks like. Hold on. So yeah, this is what she looks like. Yeah. So that's my seat rails. My seat brackets on here. Hopefully it comes with some hardware. Cause I'm going to be upset. I already have some hardware for this. So I'm not going to be too upset. So yeah. Let me open up this bad boy next. Alright. So, as you can see, you got a lot of stuff set up right here. It came with seat rails, directions, some bolts. Don't look like there's enough bolts for real. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nope, it's not enough bolts. So I might have to hit the old hardware store tomorrow. But what I can do is basically mount this stuff to the car until tomorrow. So yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. Alright, let's see what this good old instruction says. I'm not gonna lie to you. I feel like some of this stuff should have came with some stickers. But whatever. It's off of eBay. It's gonna do its general purpose. Hold me in this seat. Oh, look at this. Oh, look. Accessories. Bolted to that. Blah, blah, blah. Yeah. So this is gonna be fairly simple. basically, I'm just going to get a seat, bolt it up to it, and I guess I start mounting these brackets onto the seat, and then tomorrow I go to probably like a hardware store like Home Depot or something to get some bolts. I thought at first I'm going to modify this, but I look like I might not have to because they got all different size. So yeah, let me stop rambling. Let me go ahead and get the seats, and let me go ahead and start bolting some of the stuff up. Yeah, guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and get some other hardware. This came with the kit. Maybe it's just me being tired, but I gotta go Home Depot anyway tomorrow and get some other hardware for that rack over there. So I'm gonna pick up tomorrow, so stay tuned. See y'all guys tomorrow.
Day 3.
What's up, guys? So we back again, second day of the channel. Want to let you know we went and got the bolts for the bottom seat bracket. So let's get into installing this seat bracket. Don't forget to, by the way, I do have a giveaway going on. Chance for you to enter is like 3 of my videos. Comment on one of my videos that you liked. After you comment, repost it and tag me in it. Let me know that you guys are staying tuned to my videos, and it gives you a chance for you to enter for the giveaway. The first prize is a $100 gift card. Second prize is a $50 gift card. And the third prize is the steering wheel I'm giving away. So whoever wins, wins.
A few moments later.
Yeah, I know. But I needed it.
Am I recording? This piece of shit person is building. Are we actually recording?
Yes, you're recording.
Oh, wait.
That last one, I was so funny and happy about it.
Okay, so what this guy did, he took this, which is a thread chaser to an extent. It's a tap and die set thread chaser. He threaded this into the thread holes, made love to it. He did spit on this so he could lube it up and get her going. Then now what he had done now is chasing the bolts through. He's moving. I'm gonna be nice. So now what he's doing is he's finding the holes and tightening them down while he's bullshitting with his nuts and bolts and shit, whatever the hell he doing. He fondling. He don't know how to handle them sons of bitches. Now he's putting the other. Oh shit. Okay, whatever. Then he's putting the other bolt in. Did he throw the washer on the other side? Okay, he did throw the washer on the other side. But yeah, this is what he's doing. Well, let's go. Excuse me real quick. No. No, today's gonna be a nice day. I don't give. Well, then go look at all them motherfucking wires. They look like shit. I don't know what goes to what. You lucky I don't know my colors, because if I didn't know my colors, I'd think red is ground and black is power. Especially if it's LED. Shit, you'd be fucked. But I'm gonna stop. But look at that steering wheel. That's oh wait, not there. But
Wait for the adapter piece.
2 hours later.
10 years later, waiting for that dumbass adapter piece. I told his ass to get it on Wish.com. Get the whole fucking assembly from Wish.com. Cause I'm a cheap bastard. Yes, I am a cheap bastard. But hey, who cares? My shit still don't run. Whatever. Fuck you, Carl Baskin. But look at.
I'm talking about what he's gonna say in the bottom.
But look at these seats. These seats look good. The seat, he did the bracket. You got the. He said he paid like $100 or $200 or $300. I don't know. It's nigga money, I guess. Got old bolts. I don't know why he ain't just replaced them brand new since you replacing damn near everything. But he got the bolts, got the washers, got the bracket. The seat goes. God dang, yo, this shit tight, yo. You need to lube her up.
What?
Okay. Well.
No, I can't do that part. I would be doing.
Okay. Well, I don't know how the fuck you be doing this shit with like one hand and shit. I'm terrible with this shit. Or are we gonna learn? This is a crooked. Oh fuck. Oh well. Okay, that'll work. I don't know. I don't know how that view is, but it goes up and back. He did a very good job on this, even though he does not have a really long view. Hold on, George.
Yeah.
On some real shit though. These might be too long. Yeah, dude. These are too long. Aren't they supposed to go out more?
No.
No? Okay, whatever. That's tall people problems. I ain't got tall people problems. I got short people problems. This fucking transmission in my fucking way, as normal. But hey, my old transmission, fuck it, Carol Baskin. Then the old 6L. Do you want to know where you got that from? We're not gonna entertain that information. But yeah.
That's for you.
Here's the piece of shit motor that still has been put together for damn near, what, excuse me, 3 fucking months, and it still doesn't run? I don't know why. Oh wait, I do know why. Look at that!
You're not nice.
I don't care that I'm not nice, but he has all the brakes done, but this asshole has no motor and trans in this motherfucker. Okay, and is that a fucking problem?
Yes, it is.
Hold on, I got you. Here you go. 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 I'm a believer. So this is what he's doing. He's
Trying to rethread this shit.
trying. He is trying. He's not doing a perfect job, I guess, but he's trying. I told him to spit on his own bitch, but he don't want to listen to a damn body.
Keep getting caught up. I'm like, God damn fucking fabric. I'll be cutting myself up.
He doing a damn good job, I guess. I don't know. I'm guessing he can find the hole. It's turning a lot better than what it was.
Yeah. God damn it.
I think it's tight enough. Where you get that tool from? Since I know people gonna ask me where you get that tool from.
Sears.
Sears. This nigga went to Sears. Why didn't he go to Harbor Freight a hoe? But hey, he's a Sears a hoe, but
Yeah. Sears
whatever.
treat me right.
Sears treats you wrong.
They didn't do me no wrong, no wrong in my.
Since y'all like seeing women work and not at sweatshops, they're doing a very good. She's doing a very good job. She found the fucking hole. Holy shit. She must
Damn,
be.
fellas, I think you need to learn a thing or two from a chick.
Damn, Alistair, you need to learn.
Whoa!
You need to learn.
I was going back over the side.
My bad.
I gotta tag him in this video then.
Oh wow. Look like the diesel life. Put a washer and a nut and a nut and a washer, and then you gotta find the hole, and oh Lord, look like she gonna cross her. That's some bitch knowing her.
Yeah.
Shit.
Shut your monkey ass up, okay?
Don't be a hillbilly ass son bitch, nigga.
I'm gonna be what the hell I want to be. Got that?
A bitch.
I can be that too.
A bitch.
I don't think you're there, buddy.
I don't think so either.
Damn, she do the wiggle jiggle on the little niddle.
I don't see no cold there.
She need to open her damn eye.
I think you need to open your mouth. Yeah.
Ah! Damn.
And this is the video that's coming out today.
Damn.
That's the
Damn. That's like, okay, you got finger it. Yeah! Make her squirt!
So, when you gonna break out of that? When you gonna stop being camera shy?
I'm working on this chain. Trying to find a damn hole.
Kim. Kim.
We're gonna tighten up this bracket and put this old puppy in that seat, and then we go.
Thank you.
Thank you!
So this is Kim in the seat, just as happy. Feet just kicking the pedals.
Like a little ass kid.
What is this paddle?
That's the dead pedal.
Oh, hell no. That's the clutch.
I know what the hell it is. I don't know how y'all feed it to my
I don't know.
No, that's the pause, this is the stop, and this is the play button.
Oh my God. Nah, but everything's put back together, guys. Seats are in. I don't know how much you can see it in camera because from my angle it looks pitch black. Even Woody blends in. But yeah.
Let me smile for you, asshole.
Oh, there you go. Yeah, you can see your pearly whites. Alright guys, so to let you know we got everything installed into the car as far as the seats. Sorry that I didn't go with a lot of directions at the end, but I think pretty much you guys get the gist of it. Couple of bolts and get the hang of it. It's just basically nothing but a couple of bolts, bolt up and slap into the car. I'm gonna show you guys now the product and how everything. Later on today. You guys take care. Oh, don't forget, I have a giveaway going on. At the end of September is the last time for you guys to enter. Starting October 1st. I will do a live. So, yeah, please don't forget to enter. Like, comment, and subscribe. Get with your boy. You never know what's coming up next on Low&Slow Garage. Next video. Oh, shit now. Stay tuned.